How to add subtitles in Filmmaker Pro. First of all, open the app on your device and load the project where you want to add subtitles. Next, move the playhead to the part of the video where you want the subtitles to appear. Then look for the subtitles or text option in the editing tools, usually marked with a T or subtitle icon. Tap on it and a text box will appear on your video. Type the subtitle text you want to add. You can customize the font style, size, color, alignment, and animation to make your subtitles visually appealing and easy to read. Once you have added all the subtitles, adjust the duration of each subtitle so it matches the dialogue or scene timing. You can also drag and position the subtitles anywhere on the video frame. Repeat this process for each part of the video where you want subtitles to appear. Finally, preview your video to make sure the subtitles are correctly timed and readable. Now you know how to add subtitles in Filmmaker Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.